What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yachty Girl Flavor, and I'm coming back with a next recipe. It's gonna be stuffed chicken breast. Here I've already trimmed off some of the fat from the chicken. I've washed it with some vinegar and water, and I made some slit inside here so I can pour in the filling. I've also did a other one because I want to try two different ways where I slit this one directly opened. My filling is going to be callaloo, cream cheese with some shredded cheese, bacon, and some other stuff. But first I want to season my chicken and let it marinate in that season before I'm ready to go ahead and stuff it. So here we go. First, instead of oil or olive oil, today I'm going to go in with some onion to keep my seasoning stick to my chicken. I'm gonna have some black pepper. First, let me rub in that honey. I'm gonna wash my hands. I don't want to transfer that meat onto my seasonings. Some black pepper, some Memphis dash, I'm not going to put a lot because the cream cheese and that cheese are going to already bring that salt to the meal. I don't want it to be too salty. I love to cook with ginger and garlic. Onion powder. Chicken bouillon. So this is what we have. I'm gonna mix that in. Allow the season to stick to it. So I'm gonna set this aside for maybe about an hour or so before I start cooking, and I'll show you guys the rest of the process. Okay guys, so I'm back. My chicken has been marinating for about an hour or more now, and this is gonna be the mixture of my filling. I have some shredded cheese, I have some bell pepper, some orange, red, and yellow. I have some turkey bacon that I chopped. My callaloo is right here. My cream cheese is right here. I was going to add mayonnaise to give it that extra creaminess, but then I realized that I had all the leftover dressing, I'm sorry, sauce from my in my fridge, so I decided to use them. So it's a mixture of honey mustard, sweet and sour, ghost pepper, and all of that mixed together. There's some more, so I'm gonna combine this well so it can all blend together. And this is going to be the filling for our chicken, guys. So this is what we have so far, guys. I'm trying to smush out that cream cheese. We're making stuffed chicken breast. My filling is so yummy. So I think I've got the all combined well. This is it, guys. So here I have my chicken. So this is my first chicken breast. I think this is the one. Okay, this is not the one. Okay, so this is my opening right here. Let's see if I can get it in there. I think I'm gonna get a smaller spoon to stuff it in. So here am I trying to get all that filling down inside the chicken. Make sure it's filled all the way. It's about right here. And see if I can get it in some more. And we're spilling stuff over here. Okay, so I'm not getting it all the way down here where I want it. These are some big chicken breasts, guys, but once I stuffed them, they got so much more bigger. This is the one that I slid in the middle. I used some toothpick to keep it in place. I used some toothpick to keep it in space. This one, when I was pushing in with a spoon, it started to burst out at the sides, but I know they're going to be yummy and delicious. And I add some remaining stuffing leaf. I'm just going to toss this in the oven as well, and it can be a delicious dip or something. So I've greased my pan with some olive oil, and it's going into the oven at 425 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes. So this is it. This pan is so heavy. So this is our chicken, guys, halfway through the cooking process. It looks good to me. Comment below and let me know what you guys would have this with. I just took the remaining of the stuffing out the oven as well, and it's still bubbly. So here I'm just going to the remaining sauce from the pan that I was marinated in. I'm just going to put that on here so it's not dry out on the top, and then back into the oven for the remaining time. Take some of that sauce that's making. What would you guys have this with? Just comment below and let me know if you have it by itself. Would you have it with some rice or with some potatoes or with some veggies? So back into the oven it goes, guys, for the remaining. So this is it, guys. Back into the oven for the remaining minutes. And here we have our chicken. I'm just gonna check the temperature inside to make sure it's finished. But here I'm showing you guys my dip, that it can be used also as a dip. It's really good. So I'm waiting on check my temp to see what it is. So I'm gonna put it back in the oven, guys, because it needs a few more minutes on there, maybe 10-15 more minutes. But some of that liquid I've poured over it so it doesn't get dried out. As I said, these are some big chicken breasts. So here we have it, guys. This is the finished product. My stuffed chicken. They are yummy and juicy, and I'll definitely come back and show you guys how I plated it up. So here you go, guys. This is the plated and finished product. This is so yummy. I serve it with some creamy garlic mash. Bon appetit. And look at that crispy outer exterior, and I just garnish it with some cilantro. Parsley definitely work fine as well. Thank you guys for watching and cooking with me. See you guys on the next video. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and definitely leave me a comment.